Hello and welcome to OK Mavin. If you are new to this channel, then go and smash that like and subscribe button to receive relevant contents in the future. You can connect with me on Twitter and the handle is shown on the screen. Now, after receiving multiple messages regarding e-Yantra, I felt that I should upload some videos explaining the behind the scenes of the robot motion execution. So this video series aims at creating the foundation to fare well in the e-Yantra competition. Moreover, these videos might prove worthy in giving you a better insight into how the robot is actually being simulated. Now in this video, I'll be explaining the very basics of the tasks involved in this annual robotics competition. So brace up guys, the journey is about to begin. Now how is a robotics competition defined? Simple. Simulate a machine in order to make it do the tasks you assign to it and do it with precision enough to score better than the participants. Meanwhile, you have to constrain yourself within the rules and regulations set by the organizing committee. And a little disclaimer I thought I should add here. There are going to be times when you stare at the discussion forum such as Piazza and be like, Now in e-Yantra, we are supposed to simulate a robot using ROS. Sounds cool, right? Trust me, it is easy. Once you get the understanding of how the things actually work and what technologies you are using, you will find it just a piece of cake. Now beginning with the term ROS. Is it recurrence of stress? Unfortunately no. ROS stands for Robot Operating System. For newbies, let's understand it in this way. It is a flexible framework for writing robot software. It is a collection of tools, libraries, and conventions that aims to simplify the task of creating complex and robust robot behavior across a variety of robot platforms. That is to say, these are not platform dependent, and they can help us in reducing the headache we have while creating the software to operate the robots from the scratch itself. Now each year, e-Yantra expects us to install a certain version of Linux Ubuntu OS and then inside it, a compatible version of ROS. And using ROS, we have to write the programs in Python to make our robot do the tasks we have been assigned. Then subsequently, we have to record the operation of the robot in a bag file, which is nothing but a container to hold the metadata of the robot's motion in the environment defined. But there is another term that comes along with it. The gazebo. Sounds strange, right? But it is cool once you get a hold of this. So coming to what is gazebo? Well, if ROS is a software, then gazebo is a simulator to use the functionalities of ROS to simulate and test the robot. Fortunately, e-Yantra programs the environment of the bot beforehand for gazebo simulation. So you don't have to worry about the simulation or say coding the environment of the gazebo. It has been done beforehand. You just need to keep in mind the constraints and program the robot as per the task. Now the one thing which determines your success graph in this competition is the proper selection of your team. Well, I think this much introduction should be enough to give you a proper insight into what the competition is actually gonna look like. So those who are aiming for the competition in the next year, I would suggest you guys to go through a Python basics course and some sort of motion planning course. Well, that should be enough to brace you up. And do comment below your views and suggestions regarding this video and I shall make similar videos in the future. Thanks for watching. OK Mavin, over and out.